So guys, I just want to make a very quick video because I haven't really properly introduced this vehicle to the channel, but we got a 2006 Scion XB on the channel. So this is actually my cousin's car. He is staying with us for a good while because he's going to school out here. He's going to my local community college, and this is his first vehicle. So we're going to be doing a couple things here and there to it, nothing crazy, but we are doing some minor things to it. Like I already showed you guys the installation video of the stereo. Hopefully we do get it repainted, not now but sometime in the future. I want to delete I want to delete the tint on these, polish out the headlights, do black all over the grille again, but leave the chrome on the BB badge. Eventually get him the OEM wheels or something, I don't know, and do something about these taillights. Horrendous, man. I don't know, man. I was thinking about like painting all this red and just leaving the reverse, the see-through. But some things I already did to it were the hatch handle and the rear BB logo as well. So gotta fix the taillights because I feel like he's gonna get pulled over because of that. But other than that, proper introduction to the channel. Do you own an XB and have this happen to you? Literally every first generation XB and TC had this issue. Open it. Okay. The previous owner did this, I did not. And it's funny that they painted it the same color. But anyways, found a great solution. We got this off eBay. It is painted the same color and it has tools on it, and the reason this one will never break is because of this. Instead of it grabbing from the plastic, it's going to grab from this piece of metal. So we're going to go ahead and install it. Really simple, really easy. Looks like we have a couple of push tabs. There's a couple of them, but they're around, so we're going to go ahead and remove those. So we removed the panel and the clips. Use this blue tool from Harbor Freight. Comes in a set, and I was able to remove them really easy. And then we have one right here, and then towards the left over here, there should be some in the middle, right there and right there, but it doesn't have it. But then another thing I noticed is this thing's like burned up. I don't know why it's like that, but it looks all nasty. But I don't have nothing right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse that for now. Hopefully later I'll get him another one. I'm actually gonna change these out to LEDs. I think I still have some. So I removed both license plate lights. It has a Phillips head screw right here holding it in place. Same on the other side. And then the two little clips right here for this switch. I was able to use the same Harbor Freight tool. Now we remove it. Harbor Freight tool right here. And then we just remove the harness and out it comes. Really simple. I like how Toyota doesn't hide it that it's a Toyota, or I guess Scion, but they're both the same people, so it doesn't matter. So color looks pretty spot on. Actually, this one's a bit darker. This is a bit darker than this one. This one's a little bit lighter, but I mean, I did ask for the same color code. It doesn't really matter. Eventually, I'm gonna get this car repainted for my cousin. Once he finishes college, I'm gonna surprise him. Hopefully he doesn't see these videos. I don't think he does. But I'm gonna surprise him and get the car painted for him. So, gonna be a lot of content on this car, for sure. So let's go ahead and install the new one, but we have to remove this broken one. So I ended up bringing two locking vice grip pliers, I guess. Oh, we're gonna remove it anyways. So there you have it. I already transferred over the light, installed some new LED bulbs as well, installed this crusty ass switch. I'm gonna have to go get one from Pick and Pull. Same with the the light bulb holders, because they started to crack when I started to twist the socket off. So I'm gonna have to go get all this from the junkyard, but for now this should do. I already made sure the light bulb LED lights work, and now we put the 2 black pegs right there. So we're just gonna put everything back in order as we pulled it off. Hopefully my camera's picking all this up. And there you have it. Now I'm gonna go from the inside and tighten it up. So I was able to get 1, 2, and then 3 with my long 10mm. But this one that's hiding back here, I had to use a wrench. Focus. I had to use a wrench, and I had to get through it like over here and just tighten it that way. I was able to get to it, so now it's tight. So, sorry for the no one focusing. Let's just test it out. So it's unlocking. So there you have it. Cool. So now I'm gonna put the panel back on. And one thing I'm gonna add to this video, oh, look at that. Easter egg. But anyways, one thing I'm gonna do to this video, just to add to this video, close, damn it. I'm gonna remove this Toyota logo. I don't like it. One, it's off-centered. It looks kind of big and bulky for what it is. We're gonna debadge the XB, and we're gonna put a BB, because when we originally bought this car, it came with the BB grill. So we're gonna do that right now. I already have a BB badge. I bought it off eBay for 10 bucks. And I'll show you guys how I remove it with the 3M tape behind it. Now you guys are probably wondering, well, Seabass, now you got a lot to work with. That's where this comes into play. But first, I'm gonna clean up as much as I can so I don't start sanding, or so I don't start grinding it with all the dust, because then you're just gonna mess up the paint. So at least the paint is somewhat decent on the hatch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my So this is okay to use on like body panels, but on plastic, I wouldn't recommend it. Or you can on plastic, but you have to be extremely careful or you're just gonna burn through the paint. So now we're gonna put a little bit of Goo Gone. I'm gonna put a little bit of Goo Gone on this, and we're just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes and come back to it and just wipe it clean with the Boost Shop rags.